In this video, we're diving into how to use tags in GetResponse automation. If you're looking to boost your email marketing automation game, this video will give you everything you need to know to set up and effectively use tags in GetResponse. Stick around until the end, as I'll also share an exclusive deal for GetResponse, along with a powerful alternative that could be even better for your needs. Let's get started. First things first, tags are essential in GetResponse because they allow you to organize your contacts and create targeted automations. Tags are basically labels you assign to your contacts based on their behaviors, interests, or actions. For example, if a subscriber clicked on a link in your last email or downloaded your ebook, you can tag them to track these actions. The second thing you need to understand is how to create and assign tags. In GetResponse, go to the Contacts section, select a contact, and assign a tag manually. But what really makes tags powerful is the ability to automate this process. You can set up automation workflows that automatically add tags to contacts based on triggers you set, like signing up for a webinar or clicking a specific link in your email. This allows you to segment your list and send the right messages to the right people. Next thing, how to use these tags within automation. Once your tags are set, you can create more personalized and dynamic email sequences. For instance, if someone is tagged as interested in product A, you can trigger an automated email that speaks directly to their interests. You're essentially sending them the right message at the right time. And by using tags this way, you're ensuring you're not sending generic emails to everyone on your list, but tailored content that increases engagement. The fourth thing to keep in mind is tracking and reporting. One of the great features of GetResponse is that it tracks the performance of your automations and tags. You can see which tags are leading to conversions and which ones might need a tweak. This data helps you fine-tune your campaigns to ensure you're always improving your results. Now, here's the catch. GetResponse does tags well, but it can be a bit clunky when compared to some alternatives. The automation features are robust, but the interface can feel a little overwhelming, especially if you're new to email marketing automation. It's also worth noting that while GetResponse offers plenty of integrations, there are times when those integrations can feel limited. But if you're looking for something that's simpler, more intuitive, and still gives you deep automation and segmentation capabilities, stick around. I'll share a tool that might be even more aligned with your goals in just a second. So, let's wrap up. To get started with GetResponse, you'll definitely want to take advantage of their free trial, which we've linked below. You'll also get exclusive access to some extended trial benefits through our link. But here's the twist. While GetResponse is a great tool, I've found some alternatives that actually perform better in terms of usability and seamless integration. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and see which one fits your needs best. Check the link in the description for all the details, and don't miss out on that exclusive offer. See you in the next video.